Hello body fangs and welcome to the garage. Have you ever found yourself in a bloody sticky situation where you need a moer? It makes you want to moer someone. Yeah. You can't find the right size. Time to make a bloody plan. Welcome to bolts to bearings and everything in between. Come with me. Just wing it with a wing nut. Me to you. So indien jy jou moer gestrip het oor 'n moer wat gestrip is, never fear. Okay. Kom net na bolts to bearing. Hier so het hulle boude moere, washers, pop rivets, you name it. They've even got jewelry for the gangsters. Sien julle hierdie goede? We all know when you've got a new door handle that you put up. It's got this little Allen screwfie that goes inside it to keep it in place. Wil jy kry dit hierso? By bolts to bearings. Would you marry for I? Of course. Even when you need to lock your nut. Lock nuts. So next time wanneer jy jou moer gestrip het of jou boutjie het gebuig soos 'n warm visser. Don't run around like a mechanic that just dropped a bolt inside an engine block there, okay? Just come to bolts to bearings. You're in Krugersdorp West. 86 Rustenburg weg. They've got all the bolts, nuts, washers, pop rivets, chains, threaded bars that you need. Check them out. Bolts to bearings. Okay, thanks.